Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Kablami Khamad ke Jela Meghalaya ke North East Zone Science Drama Competition arajar arpusan kabla long ha ka arhuwai te unai wieng arajar arpusan ha ke National Science Center Jawahar Nagar Khanapara Guwahati Rajob ke Kedan ke Balai hapdeng ki nyotli ki wepat ki school ki we shimbenta negi jela ka thaj te lamingi Kediga school klara ru eka kusnam daga song pisa ke basawa jar tingka baru hebred mebat skemlang walang ubala mi khamar yega school layo eka nam kumu best actor ringkat bat ke kusnam pisa ke basia jar tingka lembat ke certificate bat ka momento yega script la thop bat direct hi daga kong F Masar kabelong kanohi kai jong ka Phudmuri Presbyterian High Secondary School ringkat ke jingarap lang juga kong S1 khar kum ka assistant director
Once the girl had washed her hands, the doctor shines the UV light again on her hands.
See that there are little to almost no fluorescent in dots, which means that the soap has destroyed and washed away all the bacteria and germs from her hands. From this process, we learn that germs and bacteria inhabit dirty and unclean homes and environments. So it is your duty to make sure that you develop hygienic habits so that you and your family can stay healthy.
In this scene, we learn that the task of scrubbing your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water brings about an improvement in personal hygiene and maintenance in social contact and well-being. Scene closes. Scene 2. Hygiene at school. Knowledge is power. In a classroom, as students wait for the teacher to arrive, a student enters the classroom and sneezes into his hands. The other student offers him some chips. He takes some, using his unwashed and unclean hands, contaminating the packet of chips with germs. Scene freezes and the germs.
We are germs, also known as pathogenic microbes. We infect people through a process called change of infection. Right, boys? Yes. But the first stage of infection is not caused by us. It is caused by you. By you. Infection begins with the transmission to susceptible hosts. Then we enter the body in the second stage. And in the third stage, we invade and cause cellular damage. Cellular damage!
Scene unfreezes. The teacher enters the classroom.
Good morning, students. You can take a seat. Okay. Today, the topic of discussion is on how to keep ourselves clean and free from germs. We have learned that germs and bacteria are everywhere. You know that, right, students? Yes, miss. Okay. To save ourselves from being infected by germs, we must wash our hands with soap and water before every meal or when we sneeze or cough into our hands to avoid spreading our germs to others or to avoid contaminated food we share with others. Yes, what can we do if soap and water is not available? Yes, sometimes washing our hands with soap and water may take time during emergency situation or if water is not accessible. So, let me show you a quicker and more convenient way to wash your hands. This is a sanitizer which we can use by rubbing it between our hands without the use of water. Let us try.
Scene freezes. Enter sanitizer.
Hello, I am sanitizer. I kill germs by using a high concentration of alcohol, typically ethanol or isopropanol, which denatures the proteins and dissolves the lipid membranes which protects the bacteria and viruses. Isn't that cool? By breaking down these key structures, I make most microorganisms inactive within seconds. I'm especially effective against many common pathogens, including influenza and coronaviruses. My fast-acting nature makes me an important tool for infection control, especially when soap and water are not available. However, for best results, I work most effectively when applied thoroughly and left to dry completely. And with just one pump, I destroy 99.9% of germs. Beware, germs. I am coming for you.
Scene unfreezes.
See how easy and fast it is to wash your hands using sanitizer. Or if water is not available.
Yes, how innovative.
Yes, students, it is. We can also set up hand sanitizer station, make poster about cleanliness, and even handless units project to spread awareness in the entire school.
Yes.
How exciting! Yes! Yes, students. Okay, let us try. Let us try by making posters.
Scene 3. Hygiene in the community, a cleaner tomorrow. In a small village, the community leader is strolling through the village and observes that the villagers throw their garbage everywhere, even in the rivers. The water stinks and people's feces is everywhere. He is disappointed and disapprove of this behavior.
What is this? Wherever I look, garbage filled. The villagers have no civic sense. They even defecate wherever they land. This is too much.
Sir, the village seems to be in a very bad state. Every household has a sick person. What must be the reason?
I think it's because we have no proper waste disposal. And people use open field for defecation.
Scene freezes and the germs.
Aha! Open defecation! Our favorite! Right, boss? This will help us infect people through a fecal oral route. How does this occur? Boss, you don't know that. This occurs when microscopic amount of infected stool enter another person's mouth. That's awesome, boss. Is that so? Then we will directly infest them through their poor hand hygiene. Poor hand hygiene! After they have used of the toilet or changing of diapers, or when they come into contact with objects, surfaces, food, or water, which shall be contaminated with us. Wow, delicious!
Scene on feces. The village doctor has observed that everyone in the village is getting sick and tries to find a solution by meeting up with the community leader.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, doctor. Where are you going?
I've been thinking of coming to see you. There has been a long queue of sick villagers at my clinic every day.
Yes, doctor. I agree. We just had a discussion about that. But what can we do? Do you have any suggestion?
The most important solution is by providing clean drinking water, which is not available in this village, and is one of the main causes for the various illnesses. So I suggest that you, as a community leader, should install water purification systems for safe and clean drinking water.
Scene freezes. Enter water purification system.
Hello, I am a water purification system. I work by using a multi-stage process like sediment filtration and reverse osmosis.
Scene unfreezes. Taking the advice of the doctor, the community leader calls upon all the residents of the village to talk to them about the need for clean environment and hygienic living for a healthy life free from illnesses. He encourages everyone to clean the village of all unwanted waste and rubbish. All the villagers take part in the cleaning drive and help in installing a water purification system for safe drinking water. They also built bio-toilets to eradicate the traditional practice of open defecation.
Boss, what is happening to us? No, we cannot survive this clean environment. Boss, we surrender.
Through this play, we have seen that science and technology have revolutionized hygiene, transforming our daily lives with innovative solutions. From simple methods like washing our hands with soap to using innovative technologies like water purification system and bio toilets. These innovations have significantly improved public health, reduced illnesses, and enhanced overall well-being. As we continue to harness the power of science and technology, we can look forward to even more effective and sustainable hygiene solution, creating a healthier future for all. Seen on Faces.
Kakateng jangan kadai mebat sekamlang walang ngasong asa maulai maurut pingwai baka kelas bangasong kelas 10 bat nga sekolah bangalai ke Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Ningkong nga aingo iublay ba ngila yo kani ka benta bangi lech bangi ada wan ti negua ti bangi le ya kawe ka competition science drama competition nga aingo iublay ubala ibet ingi ban pa kani ka level bangin job bangi yo ya ka third position jong kani ka science drama competition nga ai kublay ru yi image jong ai ba support yang hakane ka competition but kumju kinong hikai ki nang hikai ma'am principal assistant head jing assistant head but kumta ba imes wan khar bi imes masar ki chetang ba kadang kawai ka prize ka bade best actor kadang ka best actress ai di imes wan khar imes masar ki ang ashaman sedang mebat scam pidi banyo ya kane ka best actor tang adu wai be bleng ang ba ngade banyo ya kanila ranga barang ngaduai baik ngaduai man kasi man kakentang so blay banyo nga kani ka best actor bahak hakasni ka ba Friday ka ba ila penpena iwe i nampun pena ila penpena ka best actor bat ki khat kateng jonga bat ngala kamen ba kata kapo ka jingjit ka din na imam di SEO ibala ibet ya ka school jingni ba kila jet ba ini lihat ya kan ni ke competition hati hati kumba prangut ye banjir banyak lihat sti ku hati baik bang asyik duai be hoblai kumi perlok sti ngila ngila saban mi ngila plong di duai saban lek ka e ru saban lek kanu ka kami plong di duai kumi perlok kimstam ngai wandap uberaya imang karai plong di duai ye kerman ba bengin job baik bengin wandak buram ke sekolah bang kemen bang ayo ikan ikan bas atau ba image yang hari lah kemen ki nang kai school ki kemen ye entah bas atau jang kanat is kajing ting kadan bai so ban semia kanu ka ai kam ka ba penlek competition ye kalau ngai kum example like ba imes one kari on ada pi nervous ye yai rang saya ka tu kamadan ba penlek nervous jing kajing keman ke bang ayo yo best actor ngaken tulang kiwi kena ada pidan kasab buat pensep ya kasab ba pidan ba ublay la bu api wi isam kom kilung kena ba pensep ya ka ba ki example lagi jing droy ba pidan benar kan kata kasab ka pidan tak entah
ngan ya thu man ong sha bang dei principal dong dei I Miss Pirinja I principal jong ke school de ning kong nga ai ngo I ublay bang ilala ban job ya kanega North East Zone Science Drama Competition jong ke senam arhajar arfusan kabalalong hagohati haka arfui terik menta ubenai bat ke school jong ni kelala ban yo hak kerdan ke Balai bat iwe ikna senrang ilayo best actor de kabaning kong nga ai kaburam ya ublay na manado bangimi na po school habangi don ha ka boss ngong ya kikna bangin ya duai ngin ya syanya ba I ublay ngin mi na po school da kajing kemen bat ngin wan pai syapo syalaki jong ki yang kisam da kajing kemen bat ngi ai ngo ya ublay ubala sya aspor kijing duai ki jong ni kumbang mi da kajing kemen ngi yo ban wan pai Syala ke jong ke school dah ke jing kemen. But habai day but ke selection procedure ngas ngoban aingo ya imam na po DSEU ibala select shwa saudeli ki school ban pen kre ya ke script te hadien dangi la submit ki script ki evaluate te hadien kat tu kat ni por ngi sayo jing tem bana kita ki saudeli ki school kila select ya ke school jongi ban yele ya compete ya ke ka North East Zone Science Drama Competition but nyotli ki states ki badan hapo North East dengan ngoban ai kublai ru ya kinong hikai ki balapen practice bahaya ki kena kinong hikai ki bapen bit penbiang ki props ya kini ki kena ki be shim benta bat kumju ru ki me ki pa ki bala kershan ya ki bat nga ai kublai ru ki parlok ya ki officer ki batip bangi lek shetia ki bala ai ke jing kerku kerdo ti kan ka jing job ke jong ni ha ke ka zonal level ke de ke sien ke beningkong bat nga kermen hakiwe ki poru ngin dang yo alat ban ye shim benta bat ngi kermen ban ngin dang yo ye ke jing job
Ngadai i Miss Masar na hikai ha Phudmuri Presbyterian High Secondary School but habagi yo ya kan ka kalat bangin lek chathi sha bangin tho ya ka scrim te kal along challenging a little bit yang ni namar bang pak ju tip mo baka kum kata ka science drama ru ka don kum no ngila ban penbit penbiang ya ka te kalong challenging yang ngaru namar ba ngaru ngamdei ka science teacher ngadai ka English teacher tang ba hapadeng jong ka jing yarap jong ki science teacher edu ngila la ban penbit penbiang ya kata ka script ngin hab ya wat mo kita kilat nanti ban pen I ba de haka science du kalong quite challenging kalong difficult ba kom no ban pen wan ya ka kom haka story ken mo de kala ngila shem jing e hi tang ba da ka jing yarap jong ti banalor ngila la ban penbit penbiang ya ka script Hoi ka jing tho jeng script jeng ki but jeng ni kala kham yap hair the marba maki kila long very theatrical kham tam kani ka Tripura ka ba job but ka Assam ka ba job ka second place kila long kham long theatrical bhate mangi pat ni dang kham long at the school level ken ki play ka jeng ni ka dang kham long by simple at the school level tang ba long ka jing pen I ka jeng ni ka pen ya jeng ni pat long ka story kala biang bha di nang kata kadau long mo ngila job ka third place hinre ban compare but makite kila kala best bha the marba maki kila long very theatrical mangite ngila shule hitang mangi ki nong hikai school mo makite ngat hai kila don ki expert ki ba yarap yaki the marba kala long very dramatic mo mangi pat tingi dang long kum ka simple school drama kan pat long haduk ab long theatrical kumaki te kata kalong very challenging te hang ni menta bang la yo kan kalat bang yu I kita na try the next time bang yo bang le sing la bang yo bang kan kalat te ngiru ila ban pendung kan kum kita le sing ila ban employ any theatrical person mo ban yarap lam ni kenang bangin la ru ban yo ka jing job kan ho kani ka deka sin ka baningkong menchuang la ele hi ya ka school concert ti hatu ka por ngala tho hi ka script te kani kal along ka ba asin kan mga yo alat an tho ka script kam tam long dang apek mo kum hakani ka school mo lai dang ipek ki khna school jumi kum de kum ki tu ki khna school ki ba shaneng mo kum ki lai mu khra e ba kum mangaru mi jala dia ngawan na kum ki school na shateng I baki khna ha ka English e ki tibet bha ka performance jam ki ka acting jam ki ka tibet bha ban kum ki khna school ke jumi hinre ni hap ayu bhati yaki tang ba ngai I ba lada ki khna yo good guidance from the teacher makiru ki don hi kata kasap lada ki yo kata ka guidance ka ba pura ka ba biang bha na kinong hikai lani na kino ki bala tibet bha kum kani ka kam na tharai kino ki khna lada ki dei ha ka school maulai ne ha kanu ka school na tharai ngila banya ko pat ki we ki jat ben rio
Ada I Miss Wan Khar, ngahikai ni ako Phudmuri Presbyterian, ngahikai ka subject computer science. But hakani ka skit nga shimbenta kum assistant director, manirap ban pen groom nga ka skit. But ningkong nga ai kublay shwa ningkong nublay, bola don lingkat bat ngi namar ba kani ka skit kade ke ina do ba sedang ngi la yabu shwa ka jing duai shwa hakmat namar ba ngitip ba kala ade ka kabal akham namar kamde tambang isu compete hangi hapo shillong hande long nila compete kini ki different states nila compete against ki Tripura, Assam, Sikkim, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh. Dia kane kala hap hapo jagi North East Zone. Dia kalong kala de shisha kata competition kabal along very tough competition. Dia kawai rong aku aban ai kublai ru i principal jongi i MSP Renja ibla ai ngi kane kalat bangin shimbenta ha kane ka competition but bila ai mensi mengi bila ai ngi kata ka mendai tang ba isu ai ngi mo bangin ya let banya compete hen ba iru bat met bat mensi la don ringkat bat ngi shate la ai ngi kata ka mensi kata ka kata ka guidance bangin la ban le bha but hakane ka skit ka ka banga experience mga kadeba kung mangitip mo hangni hapo India kari India jongi ka main language kede ka Hindi ti hakapor bangi le shete na manang ngila prepare bet ka skit which is English language ti ngiklam long ngitip bakin kran ka Hindi ti kataro ka ade ka wehi ka balong challenging namar babun ki breu ki kham tam la dangila ong mandi compete outside Shillong kala ade be ka main kede ka Hindi language ti nang turu kala along big competition ngi kumno ba kata ka acting jongi kan kata kan ketik mensin kan yahat ka tu ka message ki namar ba ki ba job ru ki digi na po Tripura but second day na po Assam but ki kran ka ketien jongki ti ngasno ba kata ka jing ya khun jongi kala long ka ba itanat namar ba kimju ai kata ka third position kadang betang ka first but second ndai haka tu ka sngi pre kila ai ngi kata ka jing job jong ka third position te nga thrai ka imat ka skit jongi kala along neck to neck te ka competition thrai but kini ki Assam ba kila ai ngi kata ka third position but nila yo ru kumju itai best actor so getting the award best actor across from all these northeast zone I think so that is a very huge competition and that is very something to be very proud about ki prize ki I best director ki I best script te ki dan ru ki bayo ki na ki state ki yo kane ka best jury award te mangingi yo kane ka third prize but best actor but kane ka karukam ak ka skit ke bun bha mangila yo ngan ongkum nolong nila yo bha kini ki learning te bangi mi kum ni shabar am ka exposure ka bangi yo nila yo bun bha ki ka bala yo bangi yo ka jing hikai yangi ru bangi kham improve shu ka skit ti kawairu kini ki rules and regulation bakila ai lupa maki kalong very strict nimla ban shubum ta ladangila le hang to hapo stage nimla ban close ka curtain ni haban open be tang ka curtain tak shi sen but ni haban le ka skit but mendai tang kata ne ki no hikai ru umsha ban dan lam ki khna shubum ta lada ki change scene and they have to change the props ki setting jong ka stage ki hab le hi khna and the thing that is very challenging here is that ki khna nisha ban select ki participant only 8 participant te kamot ba iwe ikhna I hab ban le bun teli ki role kum iwe ikhna I ak doctor I ak sanitizer I ak community leader ha ka jo kapor te kan ni kal along challenging bha kan ni khna ma bon sen ha ki skit iwe ikhna I ak betang iwe character dai tang ba ha kan ni pede iwe ikhna I ak bon teli ki character but ikini ki setting up of the stage and props ki hab le hi ma ki hi umsha I nur bakin dan lang ki no hikai backstage kai man yarap ban pen set up ki props so kan ni ke ngasno ba nilai learn bha na kini but kawairu bangi yu ba kini ki we ki state ki ai kata ka drama jong ki kalong taka ten Hindi but kalong very musical ki nadu ibarat nadu background music ru ki ai nadu ibarat ru ki ai hoi mangi ru ki ai kata tambang ngasnang tu ru ngi la yo shu king bangin shim ni ki tu na bangi la yo ta exposure ngin shim tu ka jing hikai na ki bangin la ban implement ni ki kan hadin habot ho yangi ka de ka scene ka munikong nakani ka school jongi ban represent ka de ka scene ka munikong handre nashate po Guwahati Science Center kila pelong yakani mtala sun scene ho 5 years so they have been doing this but hoi thrai hakiwe kitu ki snam bala dep ki yo kiwe ki school ban represent they hakani ka basan ni yo mangi ban represent but ngida snow hun but ngida ai ngo sha yu bele bangi la ban yo ekani ka position ke mo wat la ngim yo first ka third ru it is something I feel ka it is a big achievement for us and ki breu na shate ru kila ide congratulate hiengi kila omba this time te Meghalaya you have outdone yourself kila ai khublei bhai ni ting is no comment ya kata ai ngo yu blai